Okay, so from the audience I need something that a kid would think is important. Something really that they, yes.
Getting a driver's license.
Getting a driver's license. That sounds interesting. Yes.
Volcano eruption.
Volcano, like when the teacher
Yeah,
does the whole thing.
Yeah, or just like if the whole world was lava.
Oh,
Yeah.
lava. I like both
I
of those
love
suggestions. Okay, guys, this is what we got. Driver's license and hot lava.
Jeremy, I want some axe springs. Ooh. I'm going to the drive-in.
Yeah? With Shirley?
With Shirley!
Again? Oh. Didn't you get in trouble with your dad?
I get so much Shirley that I
Is this a Gran Turismo?
well, it's just
I don't.
I would have double paid.
Yes. I need a truck.
Yeah, I don't want to pay for it, but how are you going to get a friend? Read.
Oh.
Here, use this. You'll do a lot better. Everywhere.
I don't know. I'm not looking forward to this. Did you smell it?
He must have put a half a gallon of that stuff on him. What the heck? How does
It
this
smells
track?
like musk to me. Musk is very sensual.
Lies. It's not going to attract any of the.
Shirley.
What turns me on?
Shirley, really, you gotta put a lid on it. Ridiculous.
Shirley's easy, that's the problem.
That's right. I'm proud of it.
You're never gonna get into sorority like that, you know. It's just not gonna
I'll
happen.
start my own sorority.
And what are you going to call them?
The pregnant girl.
Hey guys, we got a problem with the science fair. One of the volcanoes exploded and it ruined.
Hot lava.
Hot lava all over the cafeteria.
Oh, again?
Guys, come on. Whose volcano was this? You won't get
Was
into
it mine?
trouble.
Was it mine?
No, it was Jenny's.
It wasn't mine.
Jenny.
Possibly.
Her father did it.
I'm the student organizer.
Her father did it.
You broke my volcano. It's all over the ground.
Get them out.
It is kind
The
of.
old volcanoes, you gotta clean it up.
It's
The
flaming
birds are
hot.
coming in.
Yeah.
The one who smelled it dealt it. Maybe we should all clean it up.
You know, her father is
Not
a
me.
big deal in town. He's like the head guy. So we better be nice. I mean,
That's
he
true.
could.
We have to be nice to her, but she's so stingy.
Look, she can't help the house stinks. Her father stinks. They all stink.
Let's call her Sulfur Girl from now on.
Which one of you kids got this lava all over the place?
No, mommy.
Somebody needs to clean this up right now.
I organized this, but this was Sulfur Girl right here.
Good, you clean.
I'm not Sulfur Girl.
Can't believe this.
Now I'm gonna clean this up and we're gonna be serving it for dessert. I came to the cafeteria today.
I can't wait.
Well, we gotta do something with it. I had to save you. I just had to. You're my oldest daughter.
I know what to do with this. I was researching it. If you take lava, just like this, and put it on your face, you lose wrinkles. You become younger.
I don't wanna be any younger. This is enough.
You're 26.
It tastes good
Oh,
too.
look. Don't I look 6?
They had lava cake in the cafeteria today.
Oh, Jimmy, I
And
love
stuff all over, there's cake all over the place. Oh my God.
That's a kid's dream come true. To have cake for breakfast, lunch,
Chocolate and
dinner, and
strawberry.
snack.
But what exactly? It doesn't smell like it.
No, it doesn't, it really doesn't, but I think if we hold our noses at 8, we'll be fine,
Yes.
and we'll be able to get tomorrow.
Oh, wow. This is a lot of cake. I'm
It
kind of
is.
excited about how much we're Hey guys, you're eating Sulfur Girl's birthday cake. Oh, that's why it kind of stinks a little bit. You killed it.
Oh gosh, you really don't understand. We're telling you it stinks.
Well, I've got my all over body deodorant on, so I can't smell it.
Well, I'm afraid you're gonna have to stand. My car only has one seat. In the front. You don't mind watching the movie this way, do you, Cheryl?
Barnaby, this is a dream come true. I will stand in any position, just a few with you. Barnaby.
Yeah.
You have a driver's license.
I do. Yeah, it's a permit, but you're driving attendant?
There seems to be a hitchhiker at the theater.
It's raining, I didn't get in the car.
If you try the trunk, there may be someone in there already.
This is my opportunity.
Well, I'll have an opportunity with the truck. Just let me in the truck.
Okay,
Pop
all right.
the truck.
Pop the trunk, get in. Weirdo.
Where's our privacy?
Oh,
Hey, can you help me out? It's raining.
no room in the trunk.
Go in the trunk. Thanks for the girl, man.
Oh, boy.
I'll go in the trunk, it's fine.
No!
Right
Stay with
there.
me.
Where's our
Now
privacy?
we're all alone. Hey, oh no, it's
It's kind of dark in here.
All right, coming out of the rain. I'll
Anybody got
squeeze
the popcorn?
over.
here.
It's raining and I can't eat.
Not in the trunk.
Not in the trunk.
Go in the trunk, that's what everybody's saying.
Now we're finally alone. No.
Some of the popcorn, you want popcorn?
Ooh, popcorn, popcorn.
Oh, yeah.
And Pepsi.
Pepsi.
I hope we're not ruining your day.
No.
Not at all.
The guy in the back will pay.
Thank you.
You know what happens when I drink too much?
Finally. Oh, yeah, you still had nuts.
Can you pop the trunk? Get out as fast as
You
you
guys
can.
having fun?
I'm waiting for my money.
Oh, Shirley, maybe we should just
Pop the
leave.
trunk.
Let's just leave.
All
Oh
right.
no, we're moving.
Pop the trunk.
They're still here. They're still here.
They didn't pay your bill.
I thought at least one of them would fall out.
We took the popcorn and the sodas.
Oh, get out.
Come on, let's go.
Step on it.
Okay, let's go. Man, I left the speaker in here. So we're off.
Mom said we have to get more exercise.
Okay.
Pull this way, pull that way, pull this way, pull that way. I'm 6 years old and this is what I have to do every day. Mom says get exercise and go out and play.
Mom told me to get a job.
But you're only 6 years old.
That's what I told her, but she can't.
I don't know what's out there for 6-year-olds, but I know definitely that I don't have to work.
So you need to.
I just don't understand.
That's because she's so cute. You always keep your mom's favorite.
I am.
You know, Mr. Johnson's house is haunted.
Well, he died in there, right?
Whoa.
I'm not surprised. I mean, every time I walk by, I see a pair of eyes looking out the bedroom window, and then I hear spooky sounds. Well, he's still holding up.
It was a double dog dare. And will you come with me?
Oh, definitely.
Let's go
I think
together.
there's a whole treasure trove of silverware and China and ammunition. And
30 Nerf guns?
maybe. But we could break in and find out.
Oh, and you can have a puppy for your birthday. Oh, and your mother not only did not give you a puppy, she yelled at you. Arnie, I'm sorry that happened.
Me too.
Oh, Arnie.
I was gonna give him my puppy.
He's going out with her. Thanks,
Well,
Camilla.
So, do you think that you'll be able to go on a date with me? Sorry.
I'd love to.
Where are you gonna take me?
Go to the drive-in. We could go to the pool. We could go to the beach.
Okay, but I don't have my driver's license, do you?
I have a bicycle. I have a new bicycle.
And I can sit on the back?
You can sit on the back and I'll put the pails in the basket.
I think it's better we don't go to the drive-in, because I heard that there's a lot of hitchhikers there. But I think the pool would be nice. The beach is too sandy and I get sand in my stuff. And I don't like it. So the pool would be really great. I mean, great date.
Do you have a nice bathing suit?
I do, and it's a bikini.
A new one?
Carl, you're my big brother.
Yes.
And I want you to tell me what I need to wear so I look sexy.
You're asking me.
I can't ask mom or dad, and what do your friends say? Why don't I
Well,
look?
Sheila, who I really wish I could to talk to. She comes to school. She's got it dressed so high. You can almost see her particulars.
You mean like all the way up here?
Trying to determine her particulars. I wouldn't suggest that because Dad would kill me.
I tell him you told me to do it.
No, you know, this is what Sheila told me.
This haunted house sucks, Judy. Come on. It's just like musty old stuff. A couple of bats, dust, rats running around.
It's really scary.
You wanted to come in here. It wasn't my idea.
There's
Whoa,
some.
whoa, 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 whoa. What are you? That's creepy. Oh, whoa, now you freaked me out. Did you do that?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. But
I wish you did it. Otherwise, it's a ghost.
What I didn't tell you is that there's and if we could just last in here for 20 minutes, there's some money in this for us.
Oh, the dare. Yeah.
If we just make it 20 minutes, just 20 minutes.
Oh! Hey, are you the spirit of old Mr. Johnson who died in this house?
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah.
I hear there's China and silverware and ammunition. It's right for the taking, it seems. Oh, okay.
You want me to show you?
Man, you're a little eager.
It's been a while.
And there's nothing to you. I mean, I hear you, but
I found this map, and on the corner it says, "Don't go in the cellar, whatever you do."
that's what my instincts told me too. I mean, there's Pretty goes. I believe it.
Oh, okay, all right.
But they sent the chocolate lava cake down here from the high school to the kindergarten. I'm so excited. I'm going to have a first bite. Emmy Lou. There's a hair in it. They must have picked it up off the floor. But I don't care. I still would eat
That's
it.
part of the frosting.
Can I have a piece of your lava cake,
Oh,
please?
oh, Carla Sue, I would have to share with you. You're full of poop.
This tastes like poop.
Oh, well, all right. I'm sharing my chocolate lava cake.
Excuse me? It's not chocolate lava cake.
And Professor, the constipation exhibit is right here. What are you kids doing?
I don't know.
I don't know, we were just talking about lava cake and I heard about
Lava cake.
constipation, and so I ran, because constipation, you know.
Oh, jeez. Well, I see the photos of all the sizes of
Yeah.
people.
Yeah, that's
Different
it.
people have different sizes, different colors, different shapes. You know.
It just
And,
ran.
and that's what they're doing.
Close your eyes and open your mouth. I have a surprise
Oh,
for
I know
you.
what it is.
It's not poop. It's chocolate lava cake.
Oh my God.
Yours had a hair in it.
Yes, it was delicious.
Oh,
Guys, I have plenty for you.
I'm going back to the drive-in.
Do you know which line it is for the driver's licenses?
That nasty lady over there.
Oh, I know that's why she scares the hell out of me.
She is scary. She is. She denied me twice. Now this is my third trip.
God, this is the fourth time I took the written test. I had to take it 4 times. I'm so scared.
Written
But I
was
signed up.
nothing for me.
Jump to the results of the test.
Can I come up? Look, I see you've been here before. We seem to be having the same problem with question number 3.
Which signal do you turn on when you want to make a left-hand turn?
And you put which left?
Which left?
Right. That's wrong.
It's right.
It's wrong. It's left.
Right. Which left?
That left.
That. Ah! That left.
Hey, that's our show, guys. I'm Tony.
Suzanne.
CJ.
Lynn.
Nancy,
Eileen.
And